On April 6, 2025, a family at a public boat ramp parking lot in Hollywood, Florida, decided that one of them would stand in a parking space to hold it for a car that was not there. The deputy explained this was not going to work. They asked where the sign was. This is proof on record.
Thank you for coming, man.
Yeah.
We're sitting right there on the spot. They don't let anybody park.
All right. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys can't be blocking the spots like that, all right? You gotta go. Because you're standing in the road, dude. You get out of the roadway. You need to calm down first off. First off, you can't be standing in the road and you can't be blocking parking spots.
Well, he hit me with his car.
First off, you can't be standing in the road and blocking parking spots. That's why you probably got bumped, right? Because you're standing in the road,
is that legal?
If you're standing in the road, yes. Come on, man.
It's legal to hit somebody with their car.
You're standing in the road, right?
Oh, so now it's legal.
Let me see the video.
She has it on video.
Are you hurt? Do you need rescue?
Excuse me.
Do you need rescue? Sir, do you need rescue?
I don't need to talk to you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
We already
All right, this is for trailers.
Yes, we already paid.
You can't just block parking spaces, though.
But these people
That's not how this
blocking
works. So you
us.
can't just block parking spaces.
Look, sir, the road was blocked, so we
The
wouldn't.
road is still blocked because of this right
No,
now.
they were blocking it, so how are we gonna park?
It's because they
We already paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
We
That's not how it
already
works.
paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
It's not reserved.
You're standing in it.
We were here already.
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
your
that
car? Your
we
car's not
we
here.
can?
It's right there. The car is right there. We had to
trying
go
to
around
park.
since you couldn't resolve the road blocked here. That's not
Move
on
out
us.
of the
That's
way so
on
you
you.
can park
That's
the
not
trailer.
our problem.
Move out of
You
the way.
had to resolve the road
Move
block,
out of the
right?
way so he can park his trailer.
I don't have to move out of the way. Where's the sign?
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
the
that
sign?
we can?
You're just gonna block the roadway at this
Where's
point
the
and
sign?
just
Excuse me.
people.
Where is the
Listen,
sign that said?
Don't touch my
Excuse me.
mouth. Don't touch
No,
my
no,
mouth.
Alejandrito, por favor.
First off, don't
Excuse
touch
me.
my
Calm
Excuse
mouth.
down a little bit.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Calm down a
Excuse
little
me.
bit.
Excuse me. Where is the
Calm
sign?
down a little bit.
Where is the sign that said that I can reserve?
Stop. Go over there. Just go over there.
Why is he parking? Why are you parking in our spot?
You can't reserve spots.
For which one?
There's no
Where
sign.
is the sign? But they're
Where's the
blocking
sign that
us.
says that?
Where is the sign that
It's a
said
general rule
that
of
we
parking
can
lot.
But there's
reserve
no
the
sign.
spot?
You can't do that.
Where
here.
is the sign?
We're
It's
in the
first
parking
come,
space.
first
Where is the sign that
We're
said
in the
that?
parking
There
space.
doesn't need to be a sign for
Where
that.
is the sign that said that?
Now you just want to stand here.
Yo,
and
I
be-
reserved the spot and I pay already.
Okay, that's a civil issue you can take up with the city.
Where is the sign that said that?
There doesn't need to be a sign.
Why?
Okay, wait,
Because there doesn't need to.
No.
It's parking.
Okay, the solution, since everybody wants this spot, and
guys
we were
wanna
trying to
use
get
other
here,
parking?
where
You
do
can
we
go to
park?
Holland
Because we
Park.
already paid. Where do
can
we
go to
go?
Holland Park.
We already paid. Where do we
Listen
go?
what I'm saying so I can tell you. You can go to Holland Park. There's another boat ramp at
We
Holland
gotta
Park.
drive out. Our boat is there in the water already. We were trying to get here, and these people
Someone can drive the boat over to Holland Park when you guys
We're
going to
not
ramp
gonna
up.
do that. Why? Because they want to park here. Because we
You guys,
paid and we
they
told
got
them.
here first.
No, they didn't. We did.
Obviously, he's here first.
The road was blocked. We couldn't park because it was
We couldn't
blocked.
get in because it was blocked.
But you can't come over into the parking lot and reserve spots.
There's no sign that says that.
What is the sign that said that?
You don't need a sign to say that, though.
Why?
It's called blocking the roadway.
No,
it's a
not.
ticket.
It's not a
Why?
roadway. It's a parking
Oh,
space.
so because this guy hit him, then nobody cares
Let
about
me see the
that,
video.
right? Nobody
You see the
cares.
video? Come
I
on.
was standing there. He hit me. He bumped me with his car, man.
Let me see the video.
I don't even know if it recorded. I was so damn nervous. He hit him. Look, it took the
So you
floor.
didn't take a video. So right now I don't have he said, she said. That's all I have.
Well, there's two witnesses right
point
to
of-
me.
what's the
Three
point of
people saying the same thing.
No independent witnesses.
Is
You guys can't stand in parking spots.
there a sign that says that?
It's a common roadway rule.
Where's
You
the
can't stand on road.
where's the
You can't
road?
stay on the road, right?
And
But
we
the notice
were
needs
It's
to
not a road. This is a parking spot.
This is a road where
No,
cars
it's,
go.
it's not a road. It's a parking spot.
You can agree to disagree with me. I can
All
still give
day.
you a ticket.
We reserved the park
Where's the ticket for?
and pay
Exactly.
already.
So obstruction of the roadway.
Obstruction of the road. This is not a road. It's a parking spot.
Whatever
He
you want
was
to
trying to go around and they were blocking him. this is a waste of time.
Obviously.
Okay, so can they move so we can park? Because we've been here.
No, he got here first.
No,
No, he
they're
didn't.
not.
He's been here.
No, they're
That's why
not.
he's
He
at
didn't. The other guy you were talking to was blocking everybody,
they're
and we were
not.
here before
He
him.
was waiting for someone to get out so he can get in here.
No, we were already here, and he was blocking everybody.
That's
So
not
we
how that
went
works,
around,
man.
and now this guy's not letting us park.
Wow, I don't understand that you guys are like really going with them instead of us. When we've been here, we paid. The guy almost like ran him over. He hit him with his truck. Where's the justice here? Where's the justice?
Listen, you can go park at Holland Park.
No, we're not going to. Why?
Well, you can't stand in the parking
Why?
spot. You can't park in. You can't
We
just
already-
stand
Why
here.
can't we park here?
Because he's trying to park here,
Okay,
and you
well then
can't just
they
stand
need
here.
to move out of the way because they were blocking us.
Right now, you're
That's
blocking the
why
whole
we
roadway
couldn't
here
park
because
here.
you're causing this whole disturbance.
No,
because you're standing in a parking
You
space.
could fix the problem really quick. Just tell
Yeah,
them to go
I could. I could
around
take
and
all three of you to
that's it.
jail. That's how I could fix the problem.
To jail for what?
For obstructing of the roadway, causing disturbing the peace. Obstruction. Why do you want me to go on?
Come on. Your
This is a
dad
nice
has to
Sunday,
go
guys.
in the
Come on.
water
We could go over to
already.
Holland Park. You can park over Holland
It is
Park.
a
There's
nice
plenty of
Sunday.
spaces.
It is
There's
a nice
plenty
Sunday,
of
and
parking
we'd
places
like
at
to
Holland
park,
Park.
but everybody
no,
else
we have to
is
do this right
blocking
now.
us. I don't know what is the problem. Why
I don't know
can't you
either.
just have them move and we park our? It was
There's
there.
a line
It's
of
in
cars
the
here
water.
because of this.
We were in a line too.
Where's your car?
He's trying to get in.
So he's not
They
here.
blocked him.
But he's not here.
He is.
Where is he?
But you
Where is
need
How's
to-
he supposed to park if they were
Where
blocking
is
the
he?
roadway?
This guy?
No, he's
So you have two other cars
There is
here.
a car block.
to be able to park here.
No, there
In the
isn't.
spot that we already
There's no
paid
cars
for.
blocking. He's trying to park. He's trying to park.
And we
There's
already
multiple
parked.
cars in here.
Already
There
here.
was a
And your guy
car
isn't here.
there.
We were already here.
You don't need to be here. The car needs to be here.
The car was here and we paid for it already.
Well, the car's not here anymore, so you're not occupying the spot, right?
It's still paid for.
That's not how that works. You left.
Still paid for, and we're
gone.
still here.
That's not how that works.
Car or not, we are still
That's
here.
not how that works.
There's no
But
sign
where
that
is-
says you can't reserve
What
it.
is that
No,
the
that's
sign?
not how that
Where
works,
is the
man.
sign
Come
that said that I can reserve
All
on
right,
a spot?
we're gonna like what he said. I don't mind taking someone to jail right now. So it's either you guys are gonna move, or you're gonna go.
Take me to jail.
All right.
No, please, no. Ve,
Away. Stop.
Hey, please.
Hey, record this. Record
Please, it's a nice Sunday, please.
It is a nice Sunday, right?
Back up.
Please,
Back up.
please.
Por un foco y un parqueo, bro.
Dale, aquí, por favor.
Where are you going?
You're gonna make it more difficult than that.
Y'all having fun with this, right?
Nope, not at all, actually.
So, that's not take me to jail, you're gonna take me? That's the key word?
Mira, Alejandro, ponte
Back
la
up.
chancleta.
Back up.
La chancleta.
De razón.
Por el parqueo.
Back up. We've been over this. I gave you guys multiple chances.
¿Pero
but
qué
no.
hizo?
Pero
What
¿qué
did
hizo,
he
hermano?
do?
Back up.
What did he do?
Back up.
What did he do?
Back up.
Mira,
Back up.
Nosotros, mira, estamos hablando perfecto, mira. Yo tengo mi mano acá.
Back up.
The deputy arrives to a situation that is entirely self-created. A family has planted a person in a parking space to reserve it. Another driver wants the space. Traffic is backing up. The family wants to know where the sign is that says they cannot do this. There is no sign. There does not need to be one. Under Florida statute 847.011 and general obstruction law, standing in a traffic lane or parking area in a manner that blocks the movement of vehicles constitutes obstruction of a roadway. You do not need a posted sign to know you cannot plant your body in a public parking space to hold it for a car that has left. The space is public. You do not own it because you paid for a nearby boat launch. You do not own it because your car was briefly in it. Once the car leaves, the space is available. The deputy explains this clearly, then offers a solution. Holland Park has parking. Move the boat there. Easy. Done. Inconvenient, but legal. They refuse and keep asking where the sign is. The deputy tells them plainly, I can take all three of you to jail. That is how I can fix this problem. He does not want to do that. He wants them to move. He gives them multiple chances. Then comes the line. Take me to jail. The deputy treats it exactly as it is. a request.
Yo estoy hablando perfectamente bien, yo no te estoy hablando mal.
That person, so that's what he's gonna get.
Pero él no hizo nada.
Like a beautiful
Pero además no
¿Pero
existe,
qué hizo?
mira, no
We're
existe
trying to tell
ninguna
him to
ley que
leave.
diga
He's
que
a
yo,
truck in the roadway. You see all these trucks
pero es
here?
que no existe ninguna ley que diga que yo
You guys
aguante mi
weren't even here.
parqueo.
You guys weren't even here.
But it wasn't even.
These
it
two were here the whole time, okay?
It was.
So I don't need to speak to any of you guys, right?
Please, sir.
No, back up.
Vamos por otro lado ya.
Back up. No, no.
Lachi ya, Lachi ya.
Now
Yo
you're
quiero
wrong,
enseñar a
right?
alguien más.
Pero es que no se puso
You guys need
violento.
anything else from us? Because he's gonna take the ride.
¿Dónde va él?
He's gonna go to Broward County Courthouse,
What?
the Broward County Jail.
Why? Well, yeah.
You guys can read the FP
I
site.
see
and
that
Why you
you
do
are
that?
doing extremista.
I mean, I'm asking for justice and you take it and go step back.
Pueden hacerlo porque son la ley.
I told you guys the issue. I told you how to resolve it, but you don't want to listen. You don't want to listen.
Queremos irnos aquí.
En realidad, que fue tan grave como para que se vea.
Voy a alcanzar la cara. Señor, acá, Pablito.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm really not.
Put him in the front again, there's gonna be another problem.
El parqueo hasta lo pagamos. El parqueo.
Five, if the chair's tempting you to tell me.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, I
Up.
already did that. 84 units, everything set for them.
I couldn't breathe. Man. I was trying to get their attention.
Units are raised, okay, copy, yeah. Air 10-8, units go without response, 43.
The arrest takes more people than it should for a parking dispute. He says he is not resisting while resisting. He says he cannot breathe. Units are called for assistance. The family watches from the parking lot. He is going to Broward County Jail for a parking space. Under Florida law, the charges here are obstruction of a roadway and disturbing the peace, both misdemeanors. Neither carries serious consequences on their own, but they do carry a court date, a booking, and a criminal record entry that did not have to exist. The deputy told them exactly how to avoid all of it. Move, go to Holland Park, let the car park. He said, take me to jail instead. The deputy said, okay, that is the whole case. A public parking space. A family that decided wanting something badly enough made it theirs. And a deputy who gave them every reasonable exit before granting the one request they should not have made. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.